We do have a partial agreement, but we do need to get service on Mr. Marlo.
I'll just note that he's present. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. I will read the partial agreement before the court. Parties agree there has been no family violence. Parties are not requesting a non-disclosure. Parties agree to be appointed joint managing conservators with mom to designate the child's residence within Dallas County or its contiguous counties. There's no request for retroactive child support, no request for retroactive medical support, no retroactive dental support. Parties agree that the child will be maintained on the government health plan. Parties agree that they are the parents of Kalani Marlo. And that is the extent of the agreed portion, as well as it will be standard visitation regarding the child. So in terms of the agreed portion, I will call Ms. Michaela Davis. Ma'am, please state your full name for the record.
Michaela Davis.
And did you hear the agreed portion that I read before the court?
Yes.
And are those still your agreements?
Yes.
Do you believe that those agreed portions are in the best interest of the child?
Yes.
And what is the child's name for the record?
Kalani Marlo.
And you acknowledge that you are the child's mother?
Yes.
And who is the child's father?
Chris Marlo.
And were you married to Mr. Marlo or anyone else when the child was conceived or born?
No.
Could anyone else besides Mr. Marlo be the father of this child?
No.
And I will pass Ms. Davis and call Mr. Marlo. Sir, please state your full name for the record.
Chris Marlo.
And you agree you are the father of the child that's before the court?
Yes, ma'am.
And you signed an acknowledgement of paternity that you are the child's father, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you hear the agreed portions that I read before the court?
Yes.
And are you still in agreement with those portions?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree that those agreed portions are in the best interest of the child?
Like, where's the agreed? Like,
Did you hear
child support thing?
Did
That's
you
not.
hear what I read before the court in terms of what you and the other party agreed with?
Wait, I'm just trying to make sure we're not agreeing on the child support, right?
Did you hear anything about child support or medical support read before the court?
Oh, that's what. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I thought that's what I was hearing.
Okay. Did you hear the agreed portions that I read to the court?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Are you still in agreement with those portions?
Yes, ma'am.
I will pass Mr. Marlo and ask the court to accept the agreed portions.
Okay.
And I will call in regards to the contested matter. I will recall Ms. Davis. Ma'am, the state proposes child support be $402 a month beginning May 1st of 2025. Are you in agreement?
No.
Why are you in disagreement with the guideline child support amount?
Because we're trying to counsel it. We was agreeing to do the private insurance, but we haven't found the private insurance yet.
So currently you're in agreement that the child is on a government health plan?
Yes.
And at this time you do not have private insurance for the child, correct?
Yes.
And so again, what is your reason for not agreeing with the proposed guideline child support?
Oh, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. The state is proposing medical support payments in the amount of $109 a month beginning May 1st of 2025. Are you in agreement?
Yes.
Okay, so you're in agreement to the medical support amount?
Yes.
I will pass Ms. Davis. I will recall Mr. Marlo. Sir, the state proposes guideline child support of $402 a month beginning May 1st of 2025. Are you in agreement or disagreement?
Disagree.
Do you have any other minor biological children?
No, ma'am.
I'm sorry, sir?
I said no, ma'am.
What are you in disagreement with the $402 a month?
Can you say that again?
Why are you in disagreement with the proposed child support amount?
Because we're trying to cancel this. It's really, we're trying to cancel this, and we don't need to pay child support because she's okay with it. You know?
Okay,
We're
and
just trying to cancel this. That's why. That's all I can say about it.
okay, so currently the child is on a government health plan. Is that correct?
Yes, and we wanted to give her a private one. Whatever it's called. We wanted to cancel that too, so
Okay, but you don't have private insurance for the child at this moment, correct?
not at this moment.
And do you understand that it is in the child's best interest to have health and dental coverage?
Yes, ma'am. That's good. It's just the child support I'm talking about.
Okay, so you don't disagree with paying $109 a month for medical support beginning May 1st of 2025?
Can it come brought down lower if that's possible?
You're asking to pay a lower amount for medical support?
If I could,
What is the amount that you are requesting to pay for medical support?
at least 50,
You want to pay $50
if it's possible.
and you want to pay nothing for child support. Is that
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
And you also acknowledge
Yes,
that
ma'am.
at this time, you have not gotten private insurance for the child, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I will pass, Mr. Marlo. I'll defer to the court in regards to the child support and medical support, and that Mr. Marlo be responsible for court costs this bill 60 days from today.
All right, the parts y'all agreed to are fine. I'm not gonna do no child support. That makes no sense. You have a child, you have a responsibility to support your child. You aren't paying, so you gotta pay through the child support office. You don't have insurance. That's how we got here in the first place. You can't cancel your case. You can't cancel your case in the future either. You're gonna have an order for child support and medical support until the child is 18 and finishes high school. The number can increase, maybe decrease a little, but it's not going to be zero. So please understand that you don't get to cancel your case. You chose for us to be here because you didn't provide insurance when the child was born, and this is where we are. So when you do that, you assign your case to the Attorney General's office for them to do child support, and your child support has to be paid. Child support's $402 a month. There's no reason to do medical support lower than 109. You need to go look at medical insurance. You're going to find out that it's a lot more expensive than $109. There's no insurance out there that costs $50. None. I have not seen one in a long, long time. So you're not going to find one cheaper than that. So I'm not lowering that number. So you've got to pay these two amounts. These two payments have to be paid through the child support office. You cannot pay them one. You can't just pay one. You have to pay both, even if you don't like it. And as I said, you can't cancel your case. You've got to make your payments through the child support office so they can keep track of your payments. If you don't make your payments, you're going to wind up in court again, and they could be asking for you to go to jail. So just make your payments so that we don't have to come back to court, and we'll go from there. Court calls bill to Mr. Marlo. The Attorney General's office will put this court order, put this all into a court order in writing for me to sign as a court order. You'll have to follow that order. You're done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.